This is a drive video all the way from Awoyaya down to Epe. I did the part 1 of this video, which I shared with you, which we drove all the way from Aja to Songutedo. If you have not watched it, I would strongly recommend that you do that. I also did the second part, which we drove from Songutedo down to Awoyaya. Then this third part is from Awoyaya down to Eleko. So I just want to show you the movement and show you what is going on the road so that you can know that construction in this axis is really going on. So if you're looking at getting a property along the LEKKI-EPE Expressway, we have different estates along this axis. These estates are very affordable, from houses to land, we have it. So if you're looking at getting a property in this LEKKI-EPE axis, then the best person to talk to is to talk to Dennis Ison. So from my first video that I did on this LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction to my second video which I did on this LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction to this third video which you are watching now on this LEKKI-EPE Express construction, will you say that this road has been abandoned? I leave you to answer that question. No matter how bad a country is, no matter how bad a place is, there's always a good part of every situation. This road has been in construction and there are several other roads in this axis. I will do videos in other roads to show you the other roads that are under construction. One thing to know is this: there's always good thing, and Lagos, Nigeria have a good potential which you should not miss for anything. My name is Dennis Ison. What I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria. I also help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you're looking at getting a property in this axis, LEKKI-EPE Expressway axis, we have properties, we have houses from Ambiance Estate Phase 2, we have other land along this axis, several of them. We have Amen Estate in this axis, we have MAKARIOS in this axis, and we have other estates. We are looking at buying a cheap or the affordable one or the expensive one or the luxury one. The best person to talk to is Dennis Ison. Whether you're looking at a house or a land, give me a call. just did this drive to show you that the construction going on in the Lekki-EPE Expressway is still ongoing. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I would strongly recommend you subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends. The number you see on the screen is my number. Feel free to call me. Let's do business together. I appreciate you.